Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be building the homepage for Luigi's Pizzeria website. We'll create the navigation bar and add some content to give our visitors a taste of what to expect from this delicious restaurant. Let's get started. If you don't already have it open the index.html file that we created in the previous setup video. We'll start by adding the basic HTML structure or the boilerplate code. Hit Shift exclamation mark and tab if you want to use the shortcut, or you can type it all up. Change the title to Luigi's Pizzeria. Right click in the editor window and click Open with Live Server. And this should bring up the browser window with the title on the tab changed to Luigi's Pizzeria. Now let's add a heading for our homepage. Between the body tags, the opening and closing, add an H1 tag. And let's call this Luigi's Pizzeria. Next, we'll create a simple navigation bar for our website. To do that, we're going to add an unordered list with a link to each of the pages as list items. So I'm going to add a comment, navigation bar. Next, add a UL tag for the unordered list. Then for the first list item, add a link to the index.html file. And I'm going to title this the home page. Add another list item. This one's going to be for our pizzas page. I'm going to call this one our pizzas. Another one for the prices. Name this one prices. And finally, one for the contacts page or contact. And call this contact. There you have it. We have our unordered list and navigation bar. Next, let's give our homepage a more inviting look by adding a background image. To do that, add an image tag with the source pointing to the background image, and also an alt text in case the image isn't available. Point it to the images folder and the background.jpg image. And just to make our page flow correctly, we're going to add some space between the image and the next bit of content with a line break. There you go. Now let's add a descriptive paragraph to our homepage, complete with links for more information about pizza. Rather than type this out, I'm going to just copy and paste it. So there you have it, a descriptive paragraph about this page, about Luigi's Pizzeria. There are links in here that take me to the Wikipedia page on pizza. And to do that, I'm just wrapping the word pizza with an A tag, with the href pointing to the Wikipedia page, and also set to open up the Wikipedia page in a new tab. So if I click here, it should open a new tab and take me to the Wikipedia page on pizza. Finally, let's add a footer with a copyright. To do that, add a paragraph and the special character for copyright, and some text. 2023, all rights reserved. Save, and there you have it. My copyright is down there. Now let's take a look at the home page in the browser. You should see the following elements: a header with the text Luigi's Pizzeria, a simple navigation bar with links to the other pages of our website, a background image showcasing a cozy pizzeria atmosphere, a descriptive paragraph with the information about Luigi's Pizzeria and links to the Wikipedia page about pizza, a footer with some copyright information, and that's it. We've successfully created the homepage for Luigi's Pizzeria. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful web development tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.